Here at Rock Rose Film, we carry some awesome installation tools. Let's go ahead and check some out. First item that we have here is a 6-inch cast aluminum handle for your squeegee blades. With this bad boy, it's nice and strong. We have some rubberized grip. It will allow you to get a firm grasp on the squeegee handle, and it's definitely high quality, so it's gonna last a long time. So wherever you want to reach with this squeegee, on the window of a building, car, some type of glass, it's going to take real good care of you. Really awesome piece here. All you need is an Allen wrench, and you'll just go ahead and unscrew that real quick, pull the bottom off, slap your blade in there, and then reinstall quick and easy. We also do carry other types of squeegee handles that are long, small. As you can see, some here have a reinforced plastic type of way that it's made, and it does have a thumb ramp, so you can really get some good leverage on the window and really press down hard. Again, all different types of sizes, which is really cool. Sometimes you need something real short, sometimes you need something real long. And again, they're gonna be easy to disassemble and reassemble. With this particular handle here, it looks like it needs a Phillips head. So all you need is just a screwdriver, and you can take that off. Pretty simple and easy. And with this next item, it's called the Stroke Doctor. With this, has a pretty big green handle, allows you to have a pretty good grip there. And you'll be able to use this to reach really hard to get places. For example, let's say we have the rear of the vehicle, you have your back window, and let's say there's like speakers down here and it's just hard to lay tent. With this tool here, what you can do is get some really sharp angles and lay that tent down, so very useful on hard to reach places. The blade is replaceable, so if the blade does wear over time, you can just pop that bad boy out, slip a new one in. We also do carry different types of squeegee blades for different types of applications. We have different softness, medium, hardness levels for the different squeegee blades, all different types of cutouts, so it's gonna be square, there's going to be angled ones, and they'll go ahead and take care of all the different types, again, applications that you'll need. This next product is knifeless tape. Really cool box, compact. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. Let's open it up. Really easy to use and a really innovative and cool product. With this, you can make all sorts of awesome designs. You can use it on vehicles where you really don't want to scratch the paint or scratch whatever surface that you're trying to cut. Really useful, and a lot of creative things that this can be used for. Real compact, allows you to fit in your tool bag. We also have an awesome pressurized 5-gallon sprayer. With this bad boy, you'll be able to make your slip solutions in bulk, and it's really easy to do any type of film. What you want to do is 3 gallons of whatever solution that you'd like to use, 2 gallons of air. You can pressurize that with an air compressor at the top, and real simple to use. Basically, once it's pressurized, you'll have your solution inside the pressure sprayer. Let's say we have a window that we're tinting. It's super easy to use. And don't forget, here at Rock Rose Film, we have all the tools that you may need.